So today I'm going to be looking at how to use this satin varnish to give it a bit of a gloss. All I'm going to use is this spatula and the satin varnish. But first of all, what I'm going to do is to give it a little bit of a clean. You can just use baby wipes, get the excess oil off, give it a little rub. Not too hard, as you'll find that the paint starts coming off a bit well, and you don't really want that. You'll notice I've got little pins on the bottom of here as well. It's just basically when you paint pouring it keeps it off, or it makes an awful mess, which I realised before. Right, okay. So you can do that, get a paper towel. Teaching you to suck eggs here, but let's give it a little bit of a dry off. You will need a blowtorch as well, so if you've got one of these handy, that's brilliant. Right, okay. All I'm going to do, don't shake it up because you'll just get loads of bubbles. So all I'm going to do is just pour it on. It is a milky colour, but don't worry about that. Once it dries, it will be clear. So try not to shake it or make spills like I've just done there. Right, okay, and then just take your spatula and just move it to the corners. Move it around. Don't need any special skills for this. He says. I can pick that out of it. Okay. Move it around. See, I'm wearing gloves. So what you can do as well, help it along and give it a little pour. See, I'll spin that around for you. There you go. Do as well to help it along. Give it a little dab. Dab it around. Up the excess. And dab. Little dab there. Little dab there. I think my voice recording might have gone off. No, still on. More dabs. Dab, dab everywhere. Dabbing away. Sorry about my singing, it's a bit rubbish, but you know, you'll get over it. Okay. It's way miss. There you go, now my favourite part. It'll Bunsen burner out. Dry some of this off first. Toys and the toys. Okay, this is just to get rid of some of these air bubbles. Roll it a couple of times. See the air bubbles there. You can see where some of it hasn't taken. So what you can do is just take these little drips here, just place it on. Don't worry, it'll smooth itself out. And I'll just touch it like I just did then, just pop it on top. Like I've just done that. There you go. Okay. See that some of it hasn't gone on yet. Let's use this again. The corners, especially in the corners. Find that you miss the corners. Rub it all around. A little bit here. A little bit there. Spin this around for you. Da 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 da. And there you go. And a little bit more. Carry away. And maybe a bit more with the Bunsen burner. Whee! So I love this bit. See, I've created a few more air bubbles there. Before this will smooth itself out. And there you go. I'm out off again so I can stop recording. And thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.